How's it going, guys? Today I'm over here on B Dock at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is one of our newer docks, and we're gonna be talking about some things you can do to make your at-home dock last a little bit longer, be a little bit more enjoyable. Hey, we've all seen those rickety docks that you're afraid that you're gonna fall through. These are a few things that you will never have that eyesore in front of your house. Below me, looks like wood. It's not, it is synthetic wood, and this stuff lasts for a very long time. It's not gonna splinter on you. I know that it's a little expensive, but they warranty it, and we did it here, and it's a total night and day difference between our old wood docks. 2, the salt water is very, very, very unforgiving. You look over here on these pylons, you see that they're wrapped. They're wrapped with like a rubber or a plastic tubing, these pylon sleeves. And it's okay if it gets that growth, it gets those oysters and stuff like that. It's not gonna go into the pylons, because the last thing you want on a non-wrap pylon, hey, we've been there, you go to pivot off of it and crunch, it falls right over. You're not gonna need to replace your lift that much. 3, lift maintenance. Personally, we have a company that we use, shout out Pelican Lifts. They are our go-tos for lift maintenance, greasing them, making sure everything's ready to go, because that's the last thing that you want to do is to wake up at 4 or 5 in the morning for a fishing trip. Lift doesn't go down, everybody's got to go back home and go to bed, and you look kind of silly. So hopefully this helps if you have your at-home dock or lift, and see you guys out on the water.